Hi and welcome to MuseThemes.com. My name is Steve Harris. We're introducing our new MuseThemes affiliate program. And what this is, if you haven't worked with an affiliate program before, is it's an opportunity for users of our templates and widgets to actually earn some money by helping us promote them. The way that this program works is you sign up to be a MuseTheme affiliate, and then we provide you with a unique link that you can spread around the web. And when a user or customer clicks that link, our system will track that and it associates it with your account. If that user ends up buying something from our site, then you receive a commission on that sale. So it's a pretty complex system, but using it is really easy. You just sign up, you use your link anytime you refer MuseThemes to your friends or family or anywhere on the web, and it gives you an opportunity to earn some money. So let's take a look at how this works. So if you visit our affiliate program page, it gives you some details on the program itself and our kind of terms and conditions. But let's just click the sign up or login button on the right. If we click that, it redirects us to our partner program page or our affiliate program page. So it gives you the option to either sign up or log in. So let's sign up. So I'm just going to use Steve Harris and let's just use contact@MuseThemes.com and click sign up. So now our system will actually log you into your dashboard. And what your dashboard is it provides you with the unique links that you'll use to spread around the web. So there's a couple unique things that we've done here in that we've built an affiliate widget. So on this main page, you can see this link here that says, click here to download our affiliate widget. And I'll show you how that works in a second. Below that, we have your referral link. And this link right here is the link you need to be using in order for us to associate purchases with your account. So if we were to copy that link and paste it in a new browser window, you can see that it just simply redirects to the main MuseThemes homepage. So you can click this copy link button on the right and it copies it to the clipboard, or you can share the link by email, Twitter, Facebook, that sort of thing. Below that, you're seeing your progress. So this is things like how many people have actually clicked on the link, how many people have purchased using your link, and then below that you'll see your compensation details. So this will show you how much we owe you for all the commissions you've sent to us. And one thing that's important to note is we can only pay by PayPal. So when you sign up, you must use a PayPal email address to do so, or we cannot pay you. Okay, so let's take a look at our affiliate widget. So if we click this link here, it says let's download the widget, and we can set it to open automatically with Adobe Muse. So I'm just going to have it open with Muse and click OK. There. So now that we've opened it in Muse, it's going to be in our library. And you can see here it says MuseThemes Affiliate Program. And below that, there's an affiliate program widget. So let's drag this out on the page and I'll show you how it works. So when you drop it out, it loads up and you'll see a MuseThemes logo. You can actually change this logo. You could have it be a black version, and we've included a bunch of different versions. These are all transparent PNGs, so you can integrate them into your site easily, or you can select a full logo. So we've got a logo here, and when it loads up, you can see that it's actually a complete MuseThemes logo, and if we drag the box a little bit bigger, it will scale to fit. So what this does is it allows you to put our logo on your site anywhere you need, commonly seen probably in the footer. So then the important part here is where it says affiliate link. That's where you need to copy and paste your affiliate program link. So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see our link here. Let's copy it. And you can see our emails coming in that we signed up for the partner program. Now let's go back to Muse. Let's open up the flyout program or the flyout panel here, and let's just replace that link and hit enter. There. So now if this were our designed website, and let's preview it in the browser, you can see that our logo looks nice here, and if we click on it, the link down in the bottom left corner says MuseThemes.com, and it's the affiliate link. And if you click on it, of course, it just redirects to our site. So this is an easy way for you to include your affiliate link on your page on your Muse site by using one of our logos. Now, of course, you don't need to use one of our logos on the site if you don't want to. You could simply copy the link that we've provided, and you could use it on anything. You could link any sort of button. So it's a great way for you to earn some extra money, and it's a great way for our business to grow based on the positive testimonials from our customers. So if you have any questions based on this, please send us a mail as usual at support@MuseThemes.com, and we'd be happy to lend a hand. Thanks again, and good luck promoting MuseThemes. Cheers.